but for natural look, like if you want to go for a really natural makeup look, I think the C15 and C16 are like really nice to highlight. If you're somebody in my complexion and you want to go for a really natural makeup looks, the C15 and C16 is a really nice. Hi guys, it's again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to look up my canal. So today I'm here to do a demo / review on the new Makeup Revolution concealer. They come out with a lot of 18 shade concealer, but I couldn't lay my hands on all the shades. I could only lay my hands on 4 of the shade, and the ones I picked up is C15, C16, C17 and C18. I wanted to get C13 and 14, but they were no longer on store. I checked the bougie shop, but the concealer were gone, so I couldn't lay my hands on those. But I'm happy to pick this 4, and I want to come here and do a demo / review. And review for you guys. I've already done my face, I've already done my eyes, so let's jump into this concealer. So first we're going to do some swatches. I'm not so good with swatches. Let's start with the C15, sorry. So this is, I like the concealer because it comes with this application, like it's very easy to apply, and I really like this. So I'm not so good with swatches, but let's just, oh my god, I've already started messing things up. I'm so bad with swatches, but let's just, this is the C15. You guys can see this is what it looks like. This is the C15, and then we're going to try the C16, and this is the, let me just put this down, and this is the C16. You guys can see, and then we're going to try the C17. Right here, this is a C15, C16 and C17, and then now we're going to the darkest shade of all. This is the C18. This is this yeah. So these are the shades that I picked up. You guys can see these are the 4. This is like the C15, C16, C17 and C18. These are like the darkest shade for darker skin tone. I can use this to C18 to do my contour, but I don't know if I can use this ones to highlight, because they're a little bit darker, but they didn't, the C13 and C14, which I wanted to get for highlight, they were no longer in store, but I'll definitely pick those one up and do a separate review on that. But I'm happy to try this 4 shades, so let's jump into it. So now you guys have seen how this 4 darkest shade looks on me. So now we're going to do this to highlight. I'm going to use the C15 to highlight it. It's almost like the same shade with my skin. Yeah, but I just want to see how it looks like. Whoa, this is just like one dab covers my entire eyes. You guys see this foundation, this concealer is very thick as well. It's very thick. It's not that super bright. This is like almost the shade as my skin. Too bad that they didn't have the other C15 in store. But yeah, I didn't have another. I'm going to take C16 and put it on top of it, because that one looks a little bit, just a little bit on top of it. And then I'm going to take the C18 to like contour, but first let's blend this out. Whoa, it is very full coverage. Like, I wasn't expecting this concealer to be like this, but it's very full coverage. But I think it's like, if you want to go for like a really natural highlight, you can use this one to highlight. Maybe someone a little bit a shade lighter than I am can use the C15 to highlight, but I don't think this is bad for me also as an highlighter, because it is really full coverage, guys. So you guys can definitely tell the difference between here and here. Like, this is like a really full coverage. I like it. I like it. Like, I really like it. So now we're going to take the C18 and use this to contour. This is like the darkest shade. Okay, I can use this one to contour because this is like super dark. And what I like also about this is just one, when you use just one dip is enough. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little bit on my nose, not too much. You're gonna try to blend that as quicker as soon as possible so that it doesn't get dry. I didn't put that much on mine. And then I'm going to take this part of the conceal, the sponge, and just like, whoa, this is like really dark. This is really, it's very thick. I'm gonna blend it upwards. You guys can see, you can definitely see that I've used this to, whoa, I think this would be like this is gonna be my favorite like if I want to use a concealer to contour. This is the perfect, it dries really fast, that I've noticed as well. Whoa, you guys can see. I'm gonna blend it upwards. And it's very easy to blend. Of course, you can definitely see here the difference between this one and this one. You can definitely see, maybe the camera cannot pick it up, but I think the one I use for highlighter is also very nice. It's not that super bright, but it gives you that nice natural highlight feeling. Like, it doesn't really look like you have a lot of highlight. It gives you that really nice natural look. So I think since I'm using this Makeup Revolution concealer, I find it best to use their setting powder. So I'm going to try this on top of this concealer just to see how it works. I'm going to take my sponge . Wow, the concealer is very full coverage and I really like it. I like it, I can't lie. I think for someone in my skin tone and who likes to have like a really simple natural highlighter, the C15 is a very nice one. When you use the banana powder, it will give you that really nice natural highlighter. So now that I have done that, I'm going to leave this one to set. I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution contour kit, I'm going to use this dark, I'm going to mix this brown, this dark shade here to like set the contour powder I've just used. Well, can you guys see? I guess with the concealer and the powder, it picks up really quick. It picks, I don't think the camera can pick it up, but it picks up really quick. So I'm just gonna use that to like set the it picks up very quick. I won't lie, it picks up so quick. So now that I've done, I don't like to do a lot on my forehead, that's why I always like to, and then I'm just gonna take a little bit on my forehead. I don't like to put a lot of powder on my forehead, I don't know why. My forehead is not that big, but I don't want it to be also super big. I think that is okay. And then what I'm going to take this same brush. I'm going to take this brown here. I'm going to use this to like contour my nose. Okay, with the concealer, and then use this powder on top. Makes the contour really stand out. So tell me, I love the concealer. Just gonna put a little bit of powder here. So we're gonna leave this one to set. So now that I'll leave the powder to set a little bit, I'm going to use this powder here, like this one here, to set my face. Just gonna use it to remove the excess powder. You guys can see it looks really nice. So now that we have done, with that, I'm going to use my sleek blush, So this is the finished result. Using this concealer to highlight, you guys can see my highlight is not that super bright, but it gives you this really nice natural highlight look, which I really like. I didn't regret highlighting with this with the C16 and the C15 because it looks really natural. And use this Makeup Revolution banana powder makes it really nice because the highlighter is not that super bright, but it also looks really nice. I like it. And I also like the C18 for contour, which I really like. I know the camera cannot pick it up very good, but my cheekbone are like super standing out, you guys can see. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. I'll definitely pick up the C14 and C13. I want to see how those two shades looks on me when I highlight. I know those two shades will be a little bit brighter, so it'll be very nice to highlight with. But for natural look, like if you want to go for a really natural makeup look, I think the C15 and C16 are like really nice to highlight. If you're somebody in my complexion and you want to go for a really natural makeup looks, the C15 and C16 is a really nice concealer. I am loving it. Elegant concealer used to be my favorite. It's my favorite concealer. I always have highlight and contour with this, but it looked like Makeup Revolution is really, and I really like it. It's so small. I love the packaging, look really classy, and I really like it. This is what it looks like, and it's very full coverage. I don't know, you guys can see, the camera can't pick it up, but under my eyes it's like very full coverage, and I really like it. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you guys like this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe en share, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Deze keer Amy, vergeet niet te abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt, en hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Doeg, bye.